Welcome to the Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to fix voice recorder app not working on Samsung Galaxy phones. Let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your Samsung Galaxy phone and look for the voice recorder app. Now, tap and hold the app icon for a second or two until a menu appears. From there, tap on App Info. Step 2. In the App Info menu, scroll down a bit until you see the Permissions option. Go ahead and tap on it. Step 3. Now that you're in the Permissions screen, look for Microphone and tap on it. Make sure to select Allow Only while using the app. This setting ensures the app can access your microphone only when you're using it, which is essential for it to work properly. Step 4. Once that's done, swipe down from the top of your screen to open the Quick Settings menu. Then, tap on the small gear icon, that's your settings. Step 5. Inside the settings menu, tap on the search bar right at the top. Type in microphone access. Step 6. From the search results, find microphone access and tap on it. Make sure this feature is enabled. If it's turned off, your apps won't be able to use the microphone. Still not working? No worries. There's one more thing to try. Step 7. Go back to your home screen and again tap and hold the voice recorder app icon. Tap on App Info, just like before. Now scroll down and tap on Storage. Here, tap on Clear Cache, and then tap on Clear Data, and tap Delete. Don't worry, this won't delete your recordings, but it can help fix any bugs or glitches. And there you go. You've now successfully fixed the voice recorder app not working on your Samsung Galaxy phone. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.